On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
What do we have here in Cheezy's garage today? Pretty small package.
That's what she said.
Oh, look, it's another pressure washer. This one must be pretty compact. Comes with a little hose reel, pressurized. That's a plus. This one is a WHOLESUN 2200 PSI, rated 3000 PSI max, 1.8 gallon per minute, 2.4 max, 7.3 kilogram weight. Let's get it together. This one's got a brush. This one's little. Compact unit here. It's like a little baby one.
Jesus Christ, he's tiny!
It doesn't come with a screwdriver. Quick disconnect. Four short ones and two long ones. Our little nozzle poker cleaner. Comes with 4 nozzles. Different type of handle. GFI safety feature. This little wire rack to wind the power wire. After sales card. So it gives you a little customer service card if you need help. That's nice. I forgot this. For the wand. Tight. I know. Let me get my little dab of grease. Don't forget the brush. Little quick disconnect has an O-ring also that goes to the wand. It's got a little short wand on this one.
That's what she said?
Compact, you gotta break it down before you can put the wand in. Unless I'm putting this in the wrong spot here. Yeah, that's not bad. Not a bad little power cord holder there. This one doesn't have a tip holder, so you want to make sure you put them in a good Ziploc so you don't get a little bit of dirt in there. Block those tips up pretty quick. We'll keep them with the tips. That's a pretty compact unit. Soap applicator. Small, just like the unit. It comes with 4 tips. Test our little ground fault. Bleed out our hose. Get the air out of it. This thing's so tiny compared to all the other ones. It's a little guy. Bleed this out. Of course, this doesn't have a soap nozzle like the other ones because it has an actual soap dispenser. I'm going to wash off that kitty box. Yes, it has electronics on it. We'll just stay away from that. Man, my cat made a mess.
No, kitty is a bad kitty!
And I don't want to do a close-up because I'll probably get kicked off of YouTube. Do a little soap solution. The white is a 40. The orange is a 15 degree. The green is a 25. And of course the red is usually a 0. And red is a 0. So as you can see, white is safe. Green, and as it goes to red, is the most powerful where you're going to do some damage on something that you may not want to. This is the nozzle. I'm going to choose once I make a little soap solution. Yeah, I know water and electronics don't mix. I'm going to take my chances on that one. It's low voltage anyway. Nasty kitty. Yeah, well, this doesn't have the weight, apparently. It's tiny. Everything's kind of small on this, so it's not going to last as long, of course. We'll use this nozzle, the orange. 15 degree, because that's about how cold it is outside right now. Yummy. Have you ever seen anybody do a pressure washer review to spray a cat box? Yeah, it's my least favorite job. One of them. Of course, we're going to let this fully dry. It does alright. Hell of a lot better than doing it by hand. This is 0, of course. That'll do some damage. That's 15 degree. This is a 25 degree. This is the 40 degree. Get a little cold for pressure washers. So let's do a 1 gallon. Let's see how many gallons per minute. There it is. Let's see what pressure we're getting. Looks like 1,100 pounds. 1,100. So we didn't get to try out the brush because I don't want to get poopy on it. So I do like the idea that it's so small and compact. Of course, being smaller gives it some issues, like when you store the wand you have to take it apart, but it still has a spot for everything. If you have limited space, this is probably better. And definitely like it has the pressurized hose reel. The hose is so stiff it's hard to reel and hard to pull out because it's going to flip it over. But it's still better than having to wind it all up. If you've ever had to do that before, you know what I mean. So there you go. If you're looking for one of these, especially the compact, I'll have the links and everything down below. And yes, there's a discount code for you guys. Order it up if that's what you want and that's what you're looking for.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.